Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is October the 17th, 2018, and I wanted to show you one of the rhododendrons here. Backing up here so you can see it. It's a pretty big plant. Now, rhododendrons actually bloom on the previous year's growth. So that's actually what this is right here. This is actually the bloom. And then next year, providing that nothing eats this off, because we do have issues with deer. We normally fence this, but we didn't get to fence it yet. It will bloom for you. And this was a clearance rack find years ago. And it was probably about knee high when it was bought. And we planted it back along the woods, and rhododendrons like more acidic soil. So one thing that we do feed this is we feed them hollytone. They really seem to like that. It really makes them bloom a lot more. And I'll put a link down in the description for that. And you can give hollytone to your hydrangeas if you want them blue. You can give it to your azaleas, your rhododendrons, mountain laurel, that type of stuff. And plants really seem to like it. Now this is gets more of the shade, so you can see it really didn't grow out too much on this side. Now, when we first planted it, we had a major issue with the deer eating it. And we started actually fencing it off, because we actually had to even get any blooms from it. So this, other than the hollytone, it grows on its own. I know there's different places where rhododendrons actually grow wild, and mountain laurel grows wild, and it's really pretty when it's mass planted and it's blooming. So I'm actually going to show you another one that was planted at the exact same time that this one was. So I'm going to show you that one here real quick. You're going to notice there's a big difference with it. So this is the other one here. Now these were actually planted at the exact same time. And they were both the same height. And we do have a fence around this one. But this one's growing in a completely different area. The soil is a lot different. It's really compressed soil. It has a lot of rocks in it. It's really hard to get down through. But I just want to show you the difference between them. And this is growing over with pine trees. But like I said, the soil, you can see the soil here. It's really, it's really rocky. And I've tried to dig in the soil already over here. You can't really get down very far in it. It's a lot of clay in with it too. So there's not too much nutrients with it. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!